Today we're going to be building the Viking chair. This is the Viking chair. There are only two pieces. There's the seat and the back, and they slot together like this. Pepe garden furniture is pressure treated. This process can leave batten marks, as you see here, but they weather in over time. We recommend that you use the furniture protector provided with every kit in ½ litre, 1 litre or 2.5 litre tins, depending on the size of the item. This should be applied every 2 to 3 years, depending on exposure, evenly to the outside. Concentrate a little bit more on the end grains and the end of the legs for this darker finish. So that's the Viking, and it couldn't be simpler.